Yes?
We're so sorry to bother you, sir, but could you please tell us where the Gregory's live? This is the third house we've tried. Looks like everyone's gone for the long weekend.
تطرق فتاتان باب إيفان في ليلة ممطرة لطلب المساعدة، زاعمتين أنهما تائهتان وتبحثان عن منزل أصدقائهما بعد أن تعطلت هواتفهما ونسيها في سيارة الأجرة. يستقبل إيفان الفتاتين بكل ترحاب داخل منزله، ويقدم لهما مناشف لتجفيف ملابسهما المبللة، ويسمح لهما باستخدام حاسوبه الشخصي للبحث عن العنوان المطلوب والوصول إلى أصدقائهما عبر فيسبوك. تدور بين إيفان والفتاتين أحاديث ودية ومزاح، حيث يعبرن عن امتنانهما لموقفه النبيل بالسماح لغرباء بدخول منزله، بينما يمازحهن إيفان حول ممارسته للملاكمة وقدرته على التعامل مع الموقف. خلال البحث تكتشف الفتاتان أن العنوان الذي بحثتا عنه كان خاطئا تماما نتيجة سوء فهم مع سائق التاكسي، مما جعلهما في منطقة بعيدة جدا عن وجهتهما الأساسية. يقرر إيفان مساعدتهما مجددا بطلب سيارة أوبر لتوصيلهما، ويخبرهما أن السيارة ستستغرق 45 دقيقة للوصول نظرا لسوء الأحوال الجوية، لتبدأ هنا فترة انتظار طويلة داخل المنزل.
No, it's fine. Don't worry.
Oh, I don't mind. We want to mess up your house.
Yeah. Excuse me.
Thank you so much. I know this is so random.
It's fine. Hang on. I'll get you an iPad and some towels.
Thanks. Nice house.
Thanks. Girls?
Get here.
I'm so sorry. It was warmer here. Hope you don't mind.
We are freezing.
Here.
Oh my God, thank you. This is beyond embarrassing.
Don't worry about it. Make yourselves at home.
I'm Bill, by the way.
Evan, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Ashley's online.
Cool. You're a lifesaver, Evan. Not everyone would just let two total strangers into their house these days.
Well, you don't look that dangerous. Worst case scenario, I know I can take the both of them.
I'm not so sure. I do airboxing.
Airboxing.
Yeah, like, you know.
Oh, okay.
Oh my God. I'm sorry. Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
What's the address?
His name's Evan.
Evan.
458 Kenter.
Whoa. We're like far. It was Cantor, not Cantor. The cab must have misunderstood us.
I told you that he was going the wrong way. That guy barely spoke English. I mean, his English was worse than mine.
This is so retarded.
Well, don't worry about it. I'll call an Uber.
No. We can find a cab outside. It's no problem.
Not around here, you won't. Trust me, it's the only reliable way.
You sure? I feel like such an idiot. We don't want to ruin your night.
No, really, it's fine. Just looking for a driver, and it'll be here in 45 minutes.
That long?
The rain. We're lucky we even got one.